Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Slider Revolution in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Plugins section. Click Add New and search for Slider Revolution. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, you'll find a new menu item, typically labeled Slider Revolution, on your left-hand sidebar. This is your gateway to creating stunning visual content for your website. Now that the plugin is active, let's create your first slider. From the Slider Revolution dashboard, click New Blank Module or choose from hundreds of pre-built templates. You'll then select your slider type, such as a standard slider, hero scene, or carousel. Consider your layout needs, perhaps a full-width display or a specific pixel dimension, ensuring it's 100% responsive across all devices for optimal viewing. With your slider structure in place, it's time to add content. Click Add Slide and then Add Layer to insert text, images, or even video elements. Customize each layer's appearance, including fonts, colors, and sizes, using the intuitive editor. Apply captivating animations and transitions, setting their duration and delay. The timeline editor at the bottom allows for precise control over every element's entry and exit, creating dynamic visual stories. Finally, let's integrate your masterpiece into your WordPress site. After saving your slider, you'll find a shortcode or block option. Simply copy and paste this into any page, post, or widget area where you want your slider to appear. Always preview your work to ensure it looks perfect. Remember to optimize images and videos within your slider for faster loading times, providing a seamless experience for your visitors on every screen size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.